Here's how big it is, and as a reference there's a vehicle next to it. So I've got, you can see here that it is the pin style. They didn't pinch my fingers at all, and everything went up. These are a little tricky, so I want to, I've done all the corners. I haven't put these up, but I want to show you here. You can see the pin isn't all the way up, but yet on this side I've done that. So I've done 3 corners here, and I'm going to do the last corner and show you how to do that. I just take, and that's it, and push it all the way up, and it brings everything tight. Get all these done. It's easy to take it down. Pop it down. So there you go.
Find relief from the sun with the Amazon Basics pop-up canopy tent. The canopy provides 96 square feet of shade and 99% UV protection from the sun's harmful rays. It has a sturdy, high-grade steel frame that's been coated to help prevent rust and corrosion, and features a cathedral-style roof for maximum headroom. Thanks to the folding steel frame, the tent sets up and folds down in seconds. And it comes with a storage bag with wheels for easy transport. With no walls to restrict airflow, the Amazon Basics pop-up canopy tent will help you keep cool and comfortable in the great outdoors.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.